All right, so we got this drain flowing. I've been running water for a while now. I was gonna run my jetter, but you can see even though it has a belly, it's flowing, and we got all the fecal and paper out of there. So they should be fine. What is that? Oh, looks like a check valve. Huh. Oh, is that another turn? Yeah, I guess it's a turn. All right. Cool. Nice. Oh, look at that. It's got a big, huge thing of calcium. Oh, whoa. Yeah, it's just calcium. Yeah, definitely. Look at that. All right. Cool. Well, definitely is going to be caused from the belly. They got big rocks of calcium. I know it's kind of hard for you guys to see, but you'll see like white, like solid pieces. Those are the calcium floating around. So as long as they put the clean out, I think they'll be cool. Well, I'm already pretty much out there. It's a long belly. Yeah, see? Now I'm out of the belly. That is a long belly. Well, alrighty. At least we know what they got going. I'll let them know. I don't need to run my jetter anymore. You guys have a good one.